and able to work at the existing wage rate, get work without any difficulty. So this is the explanation of means this diagram. I hope all of you have understood. How will you explain this diagram? How will you explain this diagram? Means this is the complete explanation of this diagram. See, in above diagram, point E is the full employment equilibrium. Full employment equilibrium means aggregate demand. See, full employment equilibrium, because you can see, because aggregate demand means EY. Aggregate demand means EY is equal to the full employment level of output. Full employment level of output means OY. Full employment level of output means OY. And what do you mean by full employment level? It refers to a situation in which those who are willing, it refers to all those persons who are willing, all those persons who are willing and able to work at the existing wage rate get work without any difficulty. See, means you know that this point means full employment equilibrium. This point means full employment equilibrium. Equilibrium means it is equal to AS. It is equal to AS, and full employment means all peoples are fully employed here. All peoples are fully employed here. You can say like this: at this point, everyone gets work. Everyone gets work. Or you can say like this: at this point, everyone will get work. Everyone will get work. And there, or you can say like this: there is no involuntary unemployment. There is no involuntary unemployment means यहाँ पर कोई involuntary unemployment नहीं होगा. क्यों? Because everyone gets work here. Everyone gets work here. See, equilibrium means it is equal to S. Full employment means everyone gets work. So add full employment plus equilibrium. Full employment equilibrium. Full employment equilibrium. Equilibrium means it is equal to AS, and full employment means refers to a situation in which everyone gets work. Everyone gets work. So I hope all of you have understood this full employment equilibrium level. This full employment equilibrium level means, in simple terms, please try to understand. In simple terms, full employment equilibrium level means when AD is equal to AS, and everyone gets work. Everyone gets work in this situation means all resources are fully employed. All resources are fully employed. So what is question here? See, explain the full employment equilibrium level in an economy. Explain the full employment equilibrium level in an economy with the help of diagram, by using diagram. So first of all you will write definition, then after you will show this type of diagram, then after you will explain like in this way. So I hope then your explanation will be completed. See, please pause the video and note down this. See next, under employment equilibrium. Under employment means under employment equilibrium. See, it refers to a situation. It refers to a situation when the aggregate demand is equal to the aggregate supply. aggregate supply when the resources are not fully employed. So this is the definition of underemployment equilibrium. See, now you know that equilibrium means it is equal to AS. And underemployment means resources are not fully employed. Or you can say like this, resources are not fully utilized. So underemployment means resources are not fully utilized, or you can say resources are not fully employed. And equilibrium, you see, this is equilibrium and this is underemployment. This is equilibrium and this is underemployment. Equilibrium means it is equal to AS, and underemployment means resources are not fully utilized or resources are not fully employed. And please add both of these. You will get it refers to a situation when the aggregate demand is equal to the aggregate supply when the resources are not fully employed. I hope all of you have understood definition of this underemployment equilibrium. See, after this we are going to discuss with the help of a diagram. See, this is the x-axis, this is the origin, this is the y-axis. See, put here AD, AS, and here income, output, or you can write here employment. I hope it is clear. See, you know that AS curve will be like this and AD curve will be like this. See, now this is plant demand and this is plant supply. You know that this is plant demand and this is plant supply. So when plant demand is equal to plant supply, or listen this point carefully. Please listen this point carefully. When plant demand is equal to plant supply means full employment equilibrium, and corresponding to point E, equilibrium level of income is OY. Suppose demand decreases, aggregate demand decreases. So this is AD1. See, this is plant, and this is actual. See, when plant demand is equal to plant supply means this point shows full employment. This point shows full employment. See, now when aggregate demand means AD1 means actual demand. When actual demand is equal to plant supply, see, plant supply means E1. This point means underemployment. Because this point lies below from this point. Means ये point इस point से क्या है, less than है, below है, तो ये full employment है, तो ये क्या होगा, under employment होगा. सी बेटा, अब हुआ क्या कि यहाँ पर प्लांट जितनी मींस डिमांड हो रही थी उतनी ही सप्लाई हो रही थी, ठीक है, लेकिन डिमांड डिक्रीज कर गई. डिमांड क्या कर गई, डिक्रीज. अब डिमांड डिक्रीज कर गई तो प्रोड्यूसर भी अपना आउटपुट क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज करेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि डिमांड एडी से क्या हो गई, 81 मींस डिक्रीज हो गई। जब हम मार्केट में डिमांड कम करेंगे तो प्रोड्यूसर आउटपुट क्या करेगा बेटा, कम करेगा। प्रोड्यूसर विल मींस प्रोड्यूसर विल डिक्रीज हिज आउटपुट, अपना आउटपुट वो क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज करेगा। जब आउटपुट डिक्रीज करेगा वो, तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो कुछ लेबर को क्या करेगा, मींस विड्रॉन करेगा। क्या करेगा, विड्रॉन करेगा मींस बाहर निकालेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि अब उसे उतना आउटपुट नहीं बनाना जितना वो पहले बना रहा था। ठीक है, तो कुछ लेबर को क्या करेगा, विड्रॉन करेगा। जब कुछ लेबर को विड्रॉन करेगा बेटा, तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज। यू कैन से एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज करेगा। तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज करेगा और यू कैन से एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिक्रीज करेगा। ठीक है, तो मींस कुछ लेबर क्या हो जाएंगे, तो ये था क्या, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट आउटपुट, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट आउटपुट, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट आउटपुट था। लेकिन अब आउटपुट डिक्रीज होकर कितना हो गया, O/1 मींस इतने से एम्प्लॉयमेंट सॉरी सी इतने से आउटपुट क्या कर गया, डिक्रीज कर गया। इतने से आउटपुट क्या कर गया, डिक्रीज। क्यों? क्योंकि डिमांड डिक्रीज करी तो प्रोड्यूसर ने अपना आउटपुट क्या कर दिया, डिक्रीज। इतना आउटपुट डिक्रीज करेगा तो इतना ही इनकम क्या करेगी, डिक्रीज करेगी। इतना ही एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज करेगा। ये सिचुएशन क्या शो कर रही है, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट। ये सिचुएशन क्या शो कर रही है, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट। यू नो दैट फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट मींस फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेफर्स टू ए सिचुएशन इन विच एवरीवन गेट्स वर्क, जिसमें सारे क्या मिल जाती है, सबको जॉब मिल जाती है। लेकिन यहां पर क्या हुआ, प्रोड्यूसर ने अपना आउटपुट कम करा, तो आउटपुट कम करेगा तो कुछ लेबर को बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा, मींस इनकम कम होगी, एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी कम होगा। तो मींस ये जो अब यहाँ पर अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट कहां पर है, यहाँ पर है। लेकिन यहाँ पर ये पॉइंट क्या शो कर रहा है, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट। ठीक है, लेकिन हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम। सी इक्विलिब्रियम मींस AD is equal to AS, AD equal to AS. See, this condition exists here, this condition exists here because इस पॉइंट पर अगर आप देखो तो AD equal to AS है, AD equal to AS है। लेकिन ये पॉइंट क्या शो कर रहा है, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट को। क्या शो कर रहा है, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट को, बिकॉज this employment is less than this employment, this employment is less than this employment, means this gap will shows unemployment, this gap will shows unemployment, you can say underutilization of resources, underutilization of resources. So I hope आपको समझ में आ गया कि आप इक्विलिब्रियम अचीव कर सकते हो फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट में भी और अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट में। लेकिन फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या शो करता है, एवरीवन गेट्स वर्क, और यू कैन से ऑल रिसोर्सेज आर फुली एम्प्लॉयड। लेकिन अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम क्या शो करता है कि ऑल रिसोर्सेज आर नॉट फुली एम्प्लॉयड, ऑल रिसोर्सेज आर नॉट फुली एम्प्लॉयड। मींस I hope all of you have understood how will you show this diagram. But after this we are going to discuss, or you can say after this we are going to explain this diagram. See, in above diagram, in the above diagram, AD1, see, AD1 is equal to AS. See, at this point AD1 is equal to AS at point E1, at point E1. See, in this diagram, see, in the above diagram AD1 is equal to AS at point E1, at point E1, which is lower than full employment level. See, which is lower, which means E1, which is lower than full employment point. See, full employment point, or you can say full employment level, as see full employment level, you can say full employment output B. See, now after this, in the above diagram, AD1 is equal to AS at point E, which is lower than full employment level. Full employment level. See, OY1, because OY1 is less than OY less than OY, full employment level, full employment equilibrium level. You can say OY1 is less than OY, full employment equilibrium level, सी अगर आप इसको फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल बोल रहे हो तो ये तो इससे कम है, तो इसको क्या बोलोगे आप? सो OY shows the under employment equilibrium. I hope all of you have understood. Someone may ask from you, what do you mean by underemployment equilibrium? What do you mean by underemployment equilibrium? You will say that when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, when resources are not fully utilized, when the resources are not fully employed. This is the first definition. And in other words, listen carefully. Underemployment equilibrium refers to situation in which actual aggregate demand is equal to plant supply, plant output. I hope all of you have understood. First of all, question is there, see, explain the underemployment equilibrium. Then first of all you will write definition, then after you will show this type of diagram, then after you will give this type of explanation, and your explanation will be completed. And please pause the video and note down this.